So, hello guys, we were today in the right district city center and Jewish quarter tour. I have six pretty persons, guys from the United States, mixed group for Georgia and Florida. I would like to ask them the common question: what are their impressions? How much they were satisfied with this? What I have to improve by myself in my services, and things such like this. So, guys, here we are. Who is the biggest liar of you?
Ron.
Ron is the biggest liar. Ron, it's your time.
Well, I would say that Alec is one of the most thorough guides that I've ever had. He knows his history of this city.
But that's not a lie.
And that's
He's
not
just
a
tell
lie.
Well, just a part of
He
it.
does know his, he does know his
He
history.
does know the city.
Okay, guys, tell me honestly, what do you think? What I have to improve? Like you say, not in my
What I
services.
have to improve.
I would say that shorter content on certain buildings and keep it moving a little bit.
Okay, so I have to speak a little bit less, in other words, and to move a little bit faster. So next time we wouldn't, if guys come back to Amsterdam or any other side city in Netherlands or Belgium or Luxembourg,
Hey.
we're gonna make a running tour,
I
not to
have
walking.
another.
The other
Wait a minute, I have another comment.
You said
Yeah.
we need to,
You could
we
tell-
need to know when booking if anybody has any disabilities.
Oh, okay.
But here's another thing. I think it's important that we have a beverage stop about every hour.
Yeah, they tried also the best Dutch beers today. I did my best to recommend them. So probably regarding their mood,
And he didn't lose any of us.
regarding their mood in this moment, they are satisfied with the Dutch beer, right?
It was a great tour. So
Yeah, it was good.
Excellent.
Okay, guys, one more time, I would like to thank you for your time today. I hope we shall see each other maybe in the future
That would
again,
be awesome.
some other place, in other conditions. I would like to wish you a nice trip back home to the United States. And one more time, I hope to see you again.
awesome, great. Thank you.
Thank you so
very
much.
Alex.
Likewise.
I think God bless you. Of course.
Yeah,
All right.
thank you.
Thank you very much. Bye bye. Everything.
Bye.
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 Shalom.